The Azande Kingdom marked its third anniversary today, February 9, 2025, in a vibrant celebration held at Bazungua Payam in Yambio County. The event was a significant tribute to the restoration of the kingdom and the rich cultural heritage of the Azande people. In an inspiring address, His Majesty Monarch Atoroba Benedicto Budwe emphasized the kingdom's pivotal role in fostering peace within its borders. He highlighted the importance of unity among the diverse communities residing in the kingdom and reaffirmed their commitment to maintaining harmony.
Peace and unity are the first and second pillars of the Azande Kingdom to enable us to reach where we are since we restored our kingdom in 2022. A kingdom divided against itself cannot stand. It is disheartening to see fear is spreading among our people due to harmful traditional practices and the misuse of magical beliefs. Our villages should not be places for fear, but of unity and progress.
Sebit Angelo, a representative of the various tribes coexisting with the Azande, stated that peaceful coexistence has been a hallmark of their lives. He underscored that the kingdom belongs to all people of South Sudan, promoting inclusivity and collaboration among different ethnic groups.
أنا قاعدين مع ملكة السلام ملك بتاعنا وراهبنا كله وشيلنا كله ده سبب له كتوزير من قبيلة ثانية براو سان كده مسيلو باقي قبائل كله في مملكة ده ما لزان براو مملكة ده لقبائل الكله تجرم السودان.
The celebration attracted thousands, including dignitaries from the government, religious leaders, and members of the Azande communities from the Democratic Republic of Congo and Central Africa. Participants emphasized the need to restore the lost cultures of the Azande and foster unity among the Azande populations across the three nations.
Le royaume Azande qu'on est en train de faire revivre aujourd'hui.
This kingdom is not a kingdom from here in South Sudan, only from South Sudan, you know. This kingdom is for all of Zande. If you are from South Sudan, from Central Africa or Democratic Republic of Congo, in worldwide. So, I'm advising all Zande in worldwide to accept, to know, because this kingdom is for Azande in worldwide. This second kingdom and God give for all of Zande.
The festivities featured traditional dances and educational segments that highlighted the past cultures and customs of the Azande people, including methods of problem identification and resolution. This cultural showcase served not only to celebrate the kingdom's heritage, but also to inspire a renewed commitment to preserving and honoring the traditions that define the Azande identity. As the event unfolded, it became clear that the Azande Kingdom stands as a beacon of hope and unity in a region rich with diversity, but often marred by conflict. The anniversary celebration is a testament to the enduring spirit and resilience of the Azande people and their commitment to peaceful future. For SSBC News, I'm Emmanuel Patrick, Bazungua Payam, Yambio County, Western Equatoria.